We have a new formula, kind of. You're just adding one more thing. So if it doesn't have a tippy top, you have area of your base times your height. Today these have tippy tops, so it's just 1/3 area of your base times your height. I forgot. Oh. Big B stands for the area of your base, not just base. This is two-dimensional area of base. The height, again, make sure it has a right angle associated with it. The reason I take 1/3 is because it's not its full base all the way up. Once it comes to a tippy top, I don't know who invented 1/3, but they're like geniuses, so yeah, anyway. Alright, other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. You find the volume of this little guy. 1/3 area of my base times my height. Looking at that weird shaped pyramid, what's the area of my base? 8 centimeters squared. So since it's labeled centimeters squared, I know that it's already area. Does that make sense? If it was just 8, you'd probably have to take 8 times 8. But this says 8 centimeters squared. And then what is the height of my shape? 18. It is 18. I know it's 18 because it has the right angle. So all you're doing is throwing that in the calculator. What'd you get, Kelly? 48. When I label volume, again, remember, we got cubes, so centimeters cubed. Not too bad. Caleb, dear, do you have notes?
I'm giving
No. Alright, questions there? This pyramid, finding the volume again. So we have, since it's got our tippy top, 1/3 area of our base times our height. What is the shape of my base? A square. So to find the area of it, I'm going to do what? Yeah. 10 times 10. To find square, you got base times height. For the height of my shape, do I want to use 13? No, Courtney says no. It's my slant height. Remember, finding surface area, you want your slant height. When you're finding volume, you want from the tippy top down to the middle. Okay? Or in that last one, it goes from the tippy top down to your base. This one comes slanted. So we need to find, I'll try to draw that guy. Okay? So if I look at the triangle, I'm looking for the height. I know that my hypotenuse is 13. What's this side length?
5.
5, good. So to find my h, how would I set up my Pythagorean theorem?
A squared plus 5 squared equals
13
13 squared.
squared equals 5 squared plus b squared or a squared or whatever you want to call it. 13 squared is
169.
169, 5 squared. How am I going to get b squared by itself? Hold up. Subtract, we get 144. And then square root and b is 12. This is another one of those that we see. We see 3, 4, 5 a lot. We also see 5, 12, 13 a lot. So my height is 12. That's what I'm going to use for the height of my pyramid. Let's do mental math. What's a third of 12? 4. What's 10 times 10? 100 times 4. Yay. 400. And your label? Inches cubed. Good. Questions there? This pyramid, trying to find the volume again. So I have, we got tippy top, 1/3 area of my base. height. And this time, what is the shape of my base?
Triangle.
A triangle. So to find the area of my base, I can find the area of a triangle. What's my formula for area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height. And then the height of my shape. So this is my triangle. Notice it says I have an equilateral base. So let's fill in what we know. I don't know, 1/3, half. What's the base of my triangle? 10. Is the height labeled for me? No. So what I have is this equilateral triangle where everything is 10, right? What are the angles in equilateral? 60. I need to find my height. What's this guy? So what's my height? 5. Questions there? Okay, so my height of my triangle is 5 squared root of 3. What's the height of my whole pyramid? 15. Yep. Goes to from my tippy top down to my base with the right angle. So 15. Notice this one says leave in simplest radical form, so that means multiply everything except for your square root of 3. And what do we get? 125 label. Questions? None? Okay. Those are my pyramids. Now we have our cones. Every cone has a base shape of what? A circle. Same formula. Volume is 1/3 area of my base times my height. Except for you said my base is a circle. So what's my formula for area of a circle? I r squared. Go. So this is my circle. So let's fill in what we know. Do I know my r? 15. How do you get 15? Yeah, I have 30. 15. Do I know my h? Yes, sir. What is it? 25. It says leave in terms of pi. So multiply everything except your pi. And should be kind of big. 1875 pi. Label. 8 cubed. Good. Questions there? Okay, we're going to do it again. Volume of our cone means we have a base of a circle, so I'm just going to go pi r squared right away. This is our big B. Do I know my r? 5. So I have 1/3 5 squared. Do I know my height? No, I gotta find it. I have a right triangle where this is 5, my hypotenuse is 13. Anybody off the top of their head know what the height is?
12.
12. How'd you know that?
Because you said we see a lot. 5, 13,
5, 13, 12. If you don't remember that, you can sure set up Pythagorean theorem. Again, 13 squared equals 5 squared plus b squared. Math. B is 12 again. So my height is 12. This one says round to the nearest tenth, so just leave it in pi first, and then I'll multiply pi out. So how much pi do I have? 100 pi. And then when I take 100 times pi, I get about what? 314.2. Label. Questions there? Okay. This one, notice it doesn't say find the volume. What am I finding? X, what is X? A radius, yeah. So I still have my volume guy here. So we got set volume is 1/3. What's the shape of my base? Circle, so the area.
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. Times our height. Let's plug in what we know. What do I know?
The volume is
Volume is 8 pi. Where should I plug it in for? B. 8 pi. 1/3 times pi. What else do I know? The height is 6. My radius is just x. So we're just going to go x squared times 6. Let's simplify our right hand side. What is 1/3 of 6? 2. So I got 2 pi x squared. Everybody with me there? How am I going to get x by itself? We start to divide by 2 pi. Divide by 2 pi. Which means I have what on the left hand side? 4. 4 equals x squared. So what's x? 2. 2, I don't know what. So just-
Wait, what? Are we taking the square root of 4?
You took the square root of 4 and you're calculating about 2.05. That considers zero.
No,
I meant I don't know what the unit is.
it's like how did I get 2.05? Like, how did I?
Which calculator did you use? Which, I don't know. Did you square root it? Or did you
I don't have any papers on here, so I don't know how I did it.
What? Awesome. Okay. Volume of this little, I don't know, house guy. What shapes am I going on?
Rectangle, triangle.
Rectangle, triangle, cube, pyramid. How about that? I just put fancy words in there. Cube, pyramid. Is that okay? Throw back to yesterday. It's a formula for volume of a cube or anything that has two bases. Area. Big B times H. Big B stands for the whole base. So what's the shape of my base? Square. So what if I find the area of that?
Base times height.
Base times height. 10 times 10. 10 times 10. What's the height of my cube prism do? 10. So what's the volume of that cube? Volume of a pyramid, since it's got a little tippy top, what's that formula? Base times height. 1/3 base times height. Big B again stands for area of my base. What is the shape of my base of my pyramid? Yeah, square. So how am I going to find the area of it? 10 times 10. What is the height of my pyramid? 13. Calculator. I just go 1 divided by 433.3. Says round to your nearest whole number. What do we gotta do with these two things? Add them. So I get what nearest whole number? 1433 meters. How do we feel? No answer.